Yo, I'm gonna show y'all how I save money with my toilet paper in my guest bathroom. This is a good idea if you have all them unwanted guests. You take your toilet paper, cut it in half. And this knife, don't mind the knife, you can fix all that up later. Shit got messy. Once again, this is for the guest bathroom. There's some real heavy duty toilet paper here. Bam. Now you just shave it off. Clean the sides off. The problem is I think I used the wrong knife. Let's switch the knife. So instead of one row, you have 2 rows. Clean it all up. Your guests, they not gonna say nothing. They still gonna use it to wipe their ass. Bam, then you set it in your guest bathroom. Bam. Ready to roll. Save money on toilet paper.